Hi guys, I am Payal. Welcome back to my channel Virgo. In this video I am going to show you how to create a boho makeup look, which is simple yet so classy at the same time. So without wasting any more time, let's just begin with the video. Tie your hair up. So the first step of all the amazing makeup look is to prep your skin, and by prep your skin I mean to moisturize your skin. And for moisturizer I'm going to use moisturizer by Cetaphil. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a tube. I am using this small tube. Just apply it on your face. And after moisturizer I'm going to use a primer, and for the primer I'm going to use this Insight primer, 3-in-1 primer. So I hope you can see that we are taking this much. And apply it under your eyes. We are using primer for filling out our open pores and to have that clear face to work with. So now we are done with our primer. Let's move on to our foundation. Now I'm going to start using this foundation by Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Matte Foundation. This is full coverage foundation. I'm going to take one pump of it because it's a really nice full coverage foundation. So take this much and apply it using a beauty blender. Always use a damp beauty blender. First you need to apply on your face by dabbing motion. Do not forget your neck. Now blend your foundation very well. So yeah, we are done with our foundation. Next I'm going to use this concealer by Maybelline. I'm in the shade medium. Under to hide your dark circle, bridge of the nose, around your mouth area and on your forehead. And apply it with this beauty blender. By the way, this beauty blender is by Plume. Blend it nicely. Do not drag your concealer, just dab it, just dab it. You can apply concealer on your dark spots or any area that you want to hide. Always apply concealer on your eyelids so that it creates a base for your eyeshadow. And after that I am going to use this loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me. I am going to apply it by this brush and setting it all by applying where I use concealer. And rest on my face. Loose powder is used for setting a base. Face is set with the powder. And moving on to brows, I'm going to use this pencil by Etude House. This is in the shade brown. So I'm going to take a small mirror for that. Making your brows makes such a huge difference to your face. So always make your brows. Do not forget it. I'm just filling it in any gaps. I'm just filling it my gaps and making it in a better shape so that it looks flawless. Just filling in and little bit of shaping it. So our eyebrows are done. Now let's move on to our eyeshadow. And now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette by NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. I'm in the shade Phoenix. As you can see that, I'm going to take this brown shade right here and applying it with this fluffy brush. Let's just take this shadow. You can use any shade from your brown eyeshadow palette, or you can even use your bronzer for that. So I'm applying it onto my crease like so and blending it with a fluffy brush. This palette is so amazing. All the shades are so pigmented. As you can see, I've just used one brush, smudging it really well. Same on the other side. Applying it on my crease and on my lid as well. Apply that same shade onto your lower lash line. Now it's time for some black kajal, and for that I am going to use this kajal by MAC. It's a really nice jet black. You can use any kajal that you have. Just apply it like that. You don't need to be really specified because we are going to smudge it anyway. Now I'm going to take a black shadow right here and apply onto my kajal and smudging it all together. It makes such a huge difference, guys. After applying some black eyeshadow, take a smudging brush like this and smudge it all together.
Same on the other side.
And for the lower waterline, I'm going to use same kajal and take some black eyeshadow and smudging it in. Take the same brown eyeshadow and apply it under your lower waterline. We are completing this eyeshadow look by applying some mascara, and for that I'm using a mascara by L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and this is how the wand looks like. It is waterproof. Look at this mascara, guys. I love this mascara so much. To bring back the warmth on my face again, I'm going to use a bronzer, and for bronzer I have this Sugar Ka mini bronzer. This is how it looks like. Really nice bronzer, I love it. I'm going to apply it with this bronzing brush. I'm just applying it on the temple of my forehead, under my cheekbones, on the jawline, blend it really well because you don't want that patchy look on your face. And now let's move on to blush part, and for blush I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade 25. I'm going to apply it with this fluffy blush brush. I'm going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks while smiling. It gives a really nice glow onto my face. And now onto the favorite part, which is highlighter, and I'm going to use a highlighter by Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm in the shade Rose Gold. It is a really nice highlighter, you guys, and I'm going to apply it onto the highest points of my face, which is the top of my cheeks, bridge of the nose, tip of my nose, temple of my forehead, and onto the chin, on the cupid's bow as well. Apply as much as highlighter you want, you guys. I love it so much. just apply it onto your brow bones. Now for lips, I'm going to use this lip pencil to lining up my lips by MAC. It's in the shade Spice. I'm just lining my lips. And after lining my lips, I'm going to use a nude lipstick by Maybelline. It is a really nice creamy matte lipstick. I'm in the shade Nude Nuance. This is how the shade looks like. As you all can see, this is a really nice brown creamy matte lipstick. It doesn't dry out your lips, so big thumbs up for this lipstick. To set a makeup look, I'm going to use a makeup fixture by Swiss Beauty. It enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E. As you can see, it is a long lasting makeup fixer. It comes in a spray form. I'm just closing my eyes and spray it all over my face. Let's dry it out. So this is the makeup look, you guys. Add some black bindi and silver jewelry that you have and you are good to go. And yeah, this is a simple yet elegant boho makeup look.
You're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video, and till then, bye guys.